bioamplifier. Bioelectric signals have low amplitude and low frequency. Therefore, to increase the amplitude level of biosignals, amplifiers are designed. The output from these amplifiers are used for further analysis and they will appear as ECG, EMG or any other bioelectric waveforms. A bioamplifier is an electrophysiological device, a variation of the instrumentation amplifier used to gather and increase the signal integrity of physiologic electrical activity for output to various sources. It may be an independent unit or it may be integrated into the electrodes. Now let us see about the differential bioamplifier. A differential bioamplifier is a type of electronic amplifier that amplifies the difference between two input voltages but suppresses any voltage common to the two inputs. The purpose of the differential amplifier is to increase the amplitude of the hot signal to a level where it can be converted into a digital form. The gain of the circuit can be adjusted by appropriate selection of external resistors connected between the output and the input terminals. Application of differential amplifiers. Generally, we use differential amplifier that acts as a volume control circuit. The differential operational amplifier can be used as an automatic gain control circuit. Some of the differential operational amplifier can be used for the amplitude modulation.